Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a hearts progress bar in Notion. So I've already created a table database and you can check out my other videos on creating a normal progress bar, but we want to make it look prettier in this video. So just to quickly go through, we create a number property and labeled it done. You can label it whatever you want. And I create another property, add property, by clicking plus and created one for total. And because we're going with percentages, I put in 100. It doesn't have to be 100. You could have 30 if you have 30 days. It could be 600 if you have a 600-page book. So there are different options. But for purposes of the hearts, I made it so that every 10% is going to be one heart, and every 5% after that is going to be an orange heart for the half heart. And let me show you. So the 15 rounds up to 20, so we get 2 in the full hearts, and then it does not round up in the half hearts. Well, it rounds to 5%. And let me just show the formulas with you if you want to do this. And for the half hearts, this is a formula. I can't post it in the description, but I can put it in the comments below, so you can just copy and paste that. So there you go. Hope this helps. Thank you.